Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa will experience the biggest ever motocross spectacle during the National Motocross Championship at Goan's racetrack in Kandoli beginning from next weekend. This will be the first round of TVS Sports and Tourism Goa Gold Cup National MX Championship organized by Goa Motorsports Association. The next two rounds will be held in the subsequent months.
Goa Motorsport Association is pumped up about the biggest national event with 44 riders confirming for foreign class competition itself. The event will kick off on Friday the 18th of November.
All the 3 rounds will be hosted in our state itself. The event will be held on the 18th, 19th and 20th. Normally we used to have only for Saturday and Sunday, but as this is a national championship, it will be held on Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
Goa will have a team of its own and they will come up against the factory team from the TVS fold.
We have a strong contingent from Goa. In the MX1 we have Alan Sequeira, Javed Sheikh and Muhammad Kadir. These are the senior most riders of Goa. And we have all our hopes on them to give TVS team a tough fight.
TVS Motor Company's Cecil Diwars highlighted the importance of such event for the bike manufacturers.
In one grueling motocross event, which I think is about 10 laps now? Yes. Okay. 10 laps, we would be able to study our machines in various environments. To begin with, the sea level, how she performs, and as she goes across to the top, and how fast she comes down. At the same time, the machine is put through rigors of not only speed, but of suspension. Now, why are we interested in that? Not because of anything else. It's just that we want to give you a safer product on the road.
Ashley was saddened by the lack of support for the national event by the Sports Authority of Goa.
I was surprised to get a phone call from Mr. V.M. Prabhudesai a few days ago, stating that, Ashley, I have looked into your proposal as it has been there pending for more than 2 months, and I'm sorry to inform you that we do not have this budget.
A sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi from Panaji.
Goan sports persons across different age groups must take their diet aspect very seriously. The Sports Authority of Goa's Junior Scientific Officer Meeta Azgaonkar is focused on improving the discipline among the sports person regarding the diet. An interaction with Australian coach educator Norman Boardman has given her a lot of motivation towards her aim of improving Goan's sports performance. Despite the recent controversy surrounding her appointment, Meeta is maintaining her focus on the job and says that she is not at all distracted.
Australian Football Federation's Norman Boardman was in Goa last month to provide the Thirst to Goa Football Association's Youth Development Program. He also interacted with SAG dietitian Meeta Azgaonkar and advised on diet requirements of the players. Meeta says that the interaction was valuable.
What exactly was your interaction with him, and what do you think you can implement here in Goa with our kind of climate and diet?
I was really glad to meet him. He was really busy when he came down. But you can see I had a very small, very short chat with him. So when he came over here, we actually spoke about the eating habits of the Australian footballers, what they usually eat, what they concentrate more on. I asked him what is the role of the dietitian out there, how the dietitian works over there. So, it was very interesting to know that diet, nutrition is followed really well over there. The coach, the team members, all of them pay a lot of attention on diet. Nobody takes it for granted. When the dietitian, lays a particular chart, the team will carry it everywhere, wherever they go, and they try to follow the same thing everywhere, So we are trying to implement the same thing over here.
Meeta brushed aside the recent controversy over her appointment in the SAG.
I'm not distracted, let me tell you, okay? I'm here to do my job. I'm here to do my job, so I know what exactly I'm doing. Somebody comes in for a diet consultation, I will never think of something else. I know what that person wants. Why is he here and what is he asking me to do? So I am not distracted like that.
So you're focused on
I'm focused on nutrition. I'm here
Yeah.
to improve the sports performance in Goa through diet.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Vivek Prabhu from Fatorda.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.